In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Facebook account to Hootsuite using the Chrome browser. By following these steps, you'll be able to easily manage your Facebook content alongside your other social media platforms, all from the convenience of Hootsuite. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your Chrome browser and head over to the Hootsuite website. Once there, go ahead and log in with your Hootsuite credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by following the prompts on the site. Logging in will take you to your Hootsuite dashboard, a centralized hub where you can manage all of your social media activities. After you've logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You should see your profile picture there. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, find and select the option labeled Manage Social Networks. This is the section where you can add, remove, and organize the social accounts you wish to manage through Hootsuite. Next, look for the plus Add Social Network button. It's usually located at the top of the Manage Social Networks page. Click this button to open a new window or section that displays a list of available social networks you can connect. Scroll through the list until you find Facebook. Selecting Facebook will prompt you to log into your Facebook account if you're not already logged in. This step is crucial as it allows Hootsuite to connect to your Facebook profile safely and securely. Enter your Facebook login information, which usually includes your email and password, and then proceed to log in. Once you're logged in, Hootsuite will ask for authorization to access your Facebook account. Take a moment to review what permissions you're granting. Hootsuite needs certain permissions to post on your behalf and to schedule content, which can be time savers for your social media strategy. Go ahead and authorize the connection. Now, you'll need to choose which Facebook page or profile you want to connect to Hootsuite. If you manage multiple pages or profiles, they should all appear in a list from which you can select. Consider choosing one that aligns best with the goals you have for using Hootsuite. Make your selection carefully, understand how this will integrate with your schedule, and confirm your choice. Finally, you'll need to confirm and finish the setup. Hootsuite might take a moment to integrate Facebook into your dashboard. Once it's complete, you'll see your Facebook account listed under your Manage Social Networks. From here, you can start scheduling posts, interacting with your audience, and monitoring your performance right from this single convenient platform. And there you have it, a seamless way to connect your Facebook account to Hootsuite using your Chrome browser. By following these steps, you're now set up to streamline your social media efforts and can start engaging with your audience effectively. Thanks for watching and happy posting.